Hello, my name is Odessa Esco, and this is Life in English. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you already aren't for more videos. In this video, I'll be walking you through the lovely experience I've had with my younger sister, Zaria. She took me to the gym. She has been going for a long time now. You can follow her Instagram in Thrust We Trust. I'll leave it in the comments. But she knows what she's doing, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to not only bond with my younger sister, but get active and do something I don't usually do. In this video, I'll be walking you through what I was thinking, how I was feeling during those moments at the gym, which I don't frequent very often. I think the last time I went to a gym and not go to a yoga class was first year university. It was free, it was part of my tuition. So actually it wasn't free, okay? But it was a part of my tuition, so I went to the gym a couple times. I hope that this inspires you guys to try something new, try something active, and bond with somebody you love. I almost forgot to tell you to check out the description for helpful vocabulary and phrases you'll hear in the video. Without further ado, the video.
Workout expert, Zaria.
Tell us what we'll be doing today.
Oh, okay.
Of course, my sister said safety first, and we began with stretches. As you can see, she's a little bit more flexible with these stretches than I am, mostly because I was confused, but she told me what I should be feeling and where I should be feeling, and then I felt more comfortable. It's also my first time working out at a gym. I'm a yoga girl, okay? I'm a yogi, and I can do that from the comfort of my home very easily. I'm not used to stretching in public with so many men around, and it was very uncomfortable for me, but people were pretty chill. It was just kind of more so in my head. There were creepy people, of course, like there are everywhere, but for the most part, you can stretch, you can bust it open, and everybody's doing their own thing. You can see we're picking the daisies, that's what I call that one. And then this I was good at. I do this every morning with my yoga practice, so I was actually better than her, okay? Our first exercise were a variation of weighted squats. We had our arms between our legs, and of course, we had a weight. You can just look at the difference in strength between me and my younger sister, but my form was great. She told me I'd never done squats like tilted. You can see my foot is on a weight as well, and it creates a cool angle, and you can really feel it in the sides of your butt, your booty. So I loved that. We do a couple reps, and she encourages me to increase my weight size. Yeah, I went up. I think I'm carrying 15 pounds now. She's at like 45 pounds. She's a tank, and she's been doing this for years now. I am eating for this first portion of our exercise. So if you've noticed me like chewing and stuff, I'm eating a granola bar because I know I'm about to use so much energy, especially on this next move. It's like the sumo squat position. Again, it's weighted. She didn't tell me anything about the exercise routine. I was just like, make me look like you. I'ma do what you do. Big mistake, but I'm glad I didn't know what I was getting into. This is when I started having fun. I've always wanted to use the gym machines. I just, didn't know how. And I also felt embarrassed to ask, which you shouldn't. That was very stupid of me. But my sister, she knows what's going on. She's so supportive, so encouraging. And yeah, I had lots of fun playing with these machines. You saw I did the pelvic thrusts, and then I'm doing the lifts. I don't even know what this is called, but I was having a ball. You can see I'm having so much fun. My form is perfect. I just was really nervous to add weights, so I'm just using the pole by itself. My sister, of course, encouraged me enough to add weights eventually, but I was just so scared. I don't know why. I just have this thing in my brain that like my knees are weak because I injured it. My right knee I injured during basketball when I was a youth. But now look at me. I'm out here benching. I'm out here doing stuff. So right here, this is when I add the weight and I'm getting way more confident. And I'm like, wow, I can see why people get addicted to going to the gym. I might make this a habit. I mean, I think everyone should try new things. I don't think I'll do this every single day, but I will make it a habit to do it a couple times a year, once a month maybe. There's my sister flexing her abs, of course. She's so ripped. She's like a little superwoman. And look at that hair. Can we just have a moment for the hair? Like, come on. Yeah, I don't know how much weight she has, but it was enough to make me just stare. I was like, yes, I looked like Kim Kardashian's mom or whatever. That's my girl. So proud of her. But I am so proud of her. She's like, I'm a skinny mini. You should have seen her before. I'll post a before picture, but look at her. Look at her. She has to use the little weight belt thingy because she's doing so much. Next, we went to some more machines. This one was also an awkward machine. You have to like spread your legs. There's just so much leg spreading in the gym. Nobody tells you that. Like, why am I doing this at the gym? But anyways, it was fun. You can really feel it in your glutes.
About to deadlift. First things first, lip gloss.
Okay, here it goes. Finally, the deadlift. This was all I wanted to do, but it was busy when we first got to the gym. But you know, this is just what it seems like is the biggest deal to do at the gym. You know, you see the people grunting, throwing it on the floor and stuff like that. My sister's explaining how to do it. I don't know why she can't explain and point the camera at me, but you know, we can't all be good at everything like me. Yes, I'm getting ready. I'm getting psyched. I'm getting hyped up to lift again, just the pole. I keep calling it a pole. It's a bar, but it's a pole too, but everybody calls it a bar. So I'm lifting the bar and that's like 45 pounds on its own. And look at my form. Like, you want to keep it just like right in front of your shins and slide it down, like slide it down your body, keeping your back straight, engaging your glutes. Ooh, you're rooted to the ground through your ankles, down through your heel. Like, a lot of my yoga practice came in to help me in this situation. Now, of course, my sister, being her, she's like, you have to put weights on, come on. And I did, because she's right, come on. And look at me. Even with the weights, I'm in your face. I'm in your face. Like, I'm watching this video and I'm getting hype again. I need to go to the gym or just like fight. I don't know why I want to fight something or someone. I need to do some like martial arts, but I have so much energy. And at the gym, that's like one of the places I feel like my energy could get out properly. Even in yoga, I feel calm and relaxed after, but sometimes I don't want to feel calm and relaxed. Sometimes I want to rage and then have my energy come out that way. You can see my sister just showing off at this point. She got her little wristband thingies on to make sure she don't drop the weight, and she does her reps. I was really surprised at this. You don't do a lot of repetition. You just kind of do maybe 1 or 2 at most, and then you're done because of how much weight you are lifting. Look at her stance. Oh my gosh. It's giving Olympic. But yeah, so she just did her 1, 2, and then we were done. But look at her face. You can tell she's pushing herself, and that was really inspiring, especially to see your little sister do. She is out here building. Okay, you all, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow my little sister on Instagram, and get active.